Good morning, sir. Myself Amisha Doria from ECE6 and my topic is about Blue Eyes technology. What is the Blue Eyes technology? Emotional computing and eye from technology. When hands wouldn't work, a new technology tracks eye movements for computer operation. The term Blue Eyes. Blue Eyes aims at creating computational machines that have perceptual and sensory abilities. It uses cameras and microphones to identify user actions and emotions. The term Blue Eyes is coined because blue is in the term stands for Bluetooth, which enables wireless communication. Eyes, because the eye movement enables us to obtain a lot of interesting and important information. Need of Blue Eyes technology. To build a machine that can understand your emotions, a PC that can listen, talk or scream, verify your identity, feels your presence and interact with you. Adding such a perceptual abilities to computers would enable computers and humans to work together more as partners. System overview. Blue Eyes system monitors the status of the operator's visual attention through measurement of activity. The system checks parameters like heartbeat rate and blood oxygenation against abnormal and triggers user-defined alarms. The system consists of Data Acquisition Unit DAU and Central System Unit CSU. DAU stands for Data Acquisition Unit. The Data Acquisition Unit comprises several hardware modules. The first is ATmEL8965C52 microcontroller system core. The second is Bluetooth module based on ROK101008. The third is HD44780 small LCD display. The fourth is 246C16 I2C EEPROM on a removable ID card. And the fourth is MCI 145483 3-bit PCM code. Beeper and LED indicators, 6 AA batteries and voltage level monitor. DAU features, Data Acquisition Unit features. The first Data Acquisition Unit feature is lightweight. The second DAU feature is runs on batteries, low power consumption. The third is easy to use, does not disturb the operator working. And the fourth is ID cards for operator authorization. And the fifth is voice transmission using hardware PCM code. CSU stands for Central Unit System. Central Unit System components. Central System Unit. First is Connection Manager, main task to perform low-level Bluetooth communication. The second is Data Analysis Module, performs that analysis of the raw sensor data. And the third is Data Logger Module, provides support for storing the monitored data. And the fourth is Visualization Module, provides user interface for the supervisors. CSU features. Central System Unit features. The first is connection management, and the second is data processing, and the third is data recording, fourth is access verification, and fifth is system maintenance. The next topic is technologies used. First technology is used in emotion pointing, and the second is manual and gaze input cascaded MAGIC, and the third is artificial intelligence speech recognition. And the fourth is Simple User Interest Tracker SUITOR. Emotion mouse. First, simplest way. Second, people spend approximately 1 out of 3 of their total computer time touching input device. Third is psychological data is obtained and emotional state is determined. A user model will be built that reflects the personality user. This is a sample obtained from emotional mouse. The next is magic pointing. The magic pointing reduces the cursor movement needed for target selection. Click on the target with a regular manual input device. Two magic pointing techniques: liberal and conservative approaches. Liberal approach: to wrap the cursor to every new object user looks at. Conservative approach: does not wrap the cursor target until the manual input device has been actuated. Artificial intelligent speech recognition. In artificial intelligent speech recognition, input words are scanned and matched against internally stored words. Identification causes some action to be taken. User speaks to the computer through microphone, filtered and fed to ADC and then stored in RAM. Applications of artificial intelligence speech recognition. The first application is to control weapons by voice commands. The second application is pilot gave commands to computers by speaking into microphones. The third application is can be connected to word processor and instead of writing simply dictate to them. Suitor. SUITOR. SUITOR stands for Simple User Interest Tracker. The Simple User Interest Tracker helps by fetching more information at desktop. Notice where the SUITOR notice where the user's eyes focus on the screen. SUITOR files a scrolling ticker on a computer screen with information related to user's task. Example of SUITOR: if reading headline pops up the story in the browser window. Data security. Data security: only registered mobile devices can connect to them system. Data security: Bluetooth connection and the Bluetooth connection encryption. Data security: access right restrictions and the data security: personal and psychological data encryption. Applications of data security. The first application of data security is in smart cameras, lie detectors and emotional speech processing, retailing, record and interrupt customer movements. The second application is in automobile industry and the third application is in video games. The fourth application is military and the fifth application is power station and the sixth application is flight control centers and the seventh application is ovens and refrigerators. Conclusion of data securities. The data security provides more delicate and user-friendly facilities in computing devices. The data security gap between the electronic and physical world is reduced. The computers can be run using implicit commands instead of the implicit commands. Thank you.